If you've been around the finance space for a while, you may have heard about Zimplemoney. It's not a new platform, in fact, it's been around for years. But in 2026, with so many modern fintech apps available, the real question is Zimplemoney still worth using, or is it something we should forget? Let's break it down honestly. To start with, Zimplemoney is not a typical loan app like the ones that give you instant cash. Instead, it's a loan management platform designed for people who lend money like small businesses, private lenders, or even individuals lending to friends or family. In simple terms, the platform helps you track loans, collect payments, and manage everything in one place. You can set up loan terms, automate payments, and generate reports without needing spreadsheets or manual tracking. One of the main reasons Zimplemoney gained popularity is its automation features. Instead of chasing payments or calculating interest manually, the system can handle things like scheduled payments, reminders, and financial tracking automatically. For people managing multiple loans, this can save a lot of time. Another strong point is transparency and organization. Both lenders and borrowers can access the platform to see payment history, balances, and loan details. This can reduce confusion and help avoid disputes, especially in private lending situations. The platform also supports different types of loans, including personal loans, real estate financing, and installment plans, which makes it flexible depending on your needs. Now, in terms of trust, Zimplemoney is not a scam. It's been online for over a decade and has a relatively solid trust score, which suggests it's a legitimate service in the financial software space. However, that doesn't automatically mean it's perfect. One of the biggest drawbacks is that Zimplemoney feels a bit outdated compared to newer fintech apps. The interface and overall user experience are not as modern or intuitive as some of the newer platforms available in 2026. Another issue is pricing structure. While the monthly plans are not extremely expensive, there are setup fees per loan and transaction fees, which can add up over time, especially if you're managing many loans. User feedback is also somewhat limited, but mixed. Some users say it's very helpful for organizing loans and simplifying accounting, while others feel the platform lacks modern features or flexibility compared to newer tools. And this leads to an important point. Zimplemoney was built for a very specific type of user. If you're just looking for a quick personal loan or a simple borrowing app, this is not the right platform. So is Zimplemoney old but gold, or should we forget it? The honest answer is, it depends on your use case. If you're a private lender, small business, or someone managing multiple loans, Zimplemoney can still be a useful and reliable tool. It does exactly what it was designed to do: track loans and automate payments. But if you're used to modern fintech apps with sleek interfaces, AI features, and all-in-one financial tools, Zimplemoney may feel outdated and limited. In short, it's not obsolete, but it's also not leading the market anymore. Overall, Zimplemoney is a solid but aging platform. It's still functional and trustworthy, but in 2026, there are newer and more advanced alternatives that may offer a better user experience. If this review helped you understand whether Zimplemoney is worth using, let me know in the comments. Would you rather use a simple tool that works, or a modern app with more features but more complexity?